Hi children, good morning to everyone. And we learnt Jock and the Beanstalk in last video. Today we are going to do about the exercises what were given in the lesson. Yes children? And also we have grammar topic in this lesson. So regarding that grammar topic, that means pronouns, I sent you a video. Please watch that video and complete the exercises what were given regarding pronouns. Yes children, shall we enter to the exercises? Yes. This is your textbook, Roman A, third lesson, page number 20. This Roman is from the lesson. So read these lines according to the sentence. Give number 1. The sentences are disordered, means scrambled sentences. As children, and these are the blanks from the lesson. Read the blank and fill the answer. And this question answers already I gave you. You have written it. In next page, 22 page, you have another pronunciation. Pronunciation. In the pronunciation, we have to read the sounds which were given. Ga sound. The sounds which were given. Ga. G says ga. G says ga. G says ga. In G says ga, the G has two sounds. So let us write the date 13, 10, 2020. Yes children, in the textbook also you write. So suppose we learnt G says ga sound. Which one? Ga. In Telugu letter it is a ga. G says ga. This G has two sounds. One is ga and another one is ja. Yes children, ga and ja. But in the textbook what they have given? You have to read the words aloud first. Beg. B-E-G. Beg. G. Which sound are we pronouncing? G. Yes. Then M-U-G. Mug. G. G-O-A-T. Goat. G-O. Go. Beg, mug, goat, go. So, which sound are we pronouncing this underlined word, letter? Underlined letter. Which sound? Whether it is a ga sound or ja sound? Which sound? Yes, it is a ga sound. Yes, children? Did you understand? Ga sound. Here what was given in the textbook means they have circled the one. Yes. This circled one is pronounced like ja. G-E-R-M-S. Germs. Germs. Do you say germs? No, it is wrong. Germs. And so that I told G has two sounds whereas ga and ja. Ga and ja. Yes children. Now what you supposed to do? In first row you are given each set of four words. In the four words here is a given ja sound word. Find out the ja sound and you have to circle it. Already they have done first one. Germs, green, gate, go. Remaining 3 G are giving the sound of ga. But here the sound is ja. For the particular one, ja sound one, you have to circle it. When you go to second Roman, glue, giraffe, goat, grow. So which is the different one here? Yes, you find it out and circle. And third row, gift, get, age, goal. Yes, children, where you are pronouncing ja sound. Gas, engine, grey, good. Yes, did you understand? Yes. Now, I hope you will do that. Understand? Now, what you do is, another exercise is about male and female. Male, female. Your mother. Your mother is male or female? You have mother and father. Your mother is male or female? Yes, female. Then here you supposed to write mother. Father. Father is, now who is the father? Yes, male. You have sister. Yes? Sister do you have? Do you have sister? Yes. Now sister is male or female? Yes. Female. Brother? Male. Uncle? Male. Aunt? Female. Yes, children? Hero? Male. Heroine? Female. Yes? Yes, children? Likewise, here you have an exercise. You have to match the males to female. Uncle, aunt. Son, daughter. Lion, lioness. Prince, princess. Rooster, hen. Understand, children? Rooster. The male one of the hen is called rooster. We are going to learn about pronouns. Here is a girl who made short words with a wall. Let us see what are those walls. Yes. First one, I, it, you, they, we, she, he. These are called pronouns. Pronouns I, it, you, they, we, she, he are used in the place of a noun. Pronouns like he, she and we are used for people. He is my father. My father is a doctor. She is my mother. My mother is a housewife. Pronoun it is used for animals and things. It is a cow. It is a cradle. It is my pet. My pet is a dog. And I is used for single one. I, you, he, she are pronouns. I am a doctor. I am a police officer. It is used for animals and things. We is used for the people who are in the group. and also for the animals in the group. They also used for the people in the group and for as well as for the animals. As children, let us see the examples of they. They are my grandparents. We all love Ricky. We all love Ricky. Ricky and I are friends. As children, I hope you have understood the pronouns. Let us do the exercises in our textbook. Children, like pronouns also change objective pronouns like pronouns. We talked about pronouns. I is a pronoun. When you're starting of the sentence, we write these pronouns, but ending we write like these pronouns. I, me, you, she, her, he, him, they, them, we, us. We have to write like this. Understand, children? Whenever you see starting of a sentence, we should use these pronouns. I, you, she, he, they, we. And it only. It. Yes, children. The first line is called subjective pronouns. Subject. These are objects. Subject. Object. Subject. Object. Yes, children. When you use this in a sentence, you should write first. Children, when ending, you have to use these pronouns. Yes, children? Yes. Understand, children? These are the grammar topic pronouns. You might have watched the video. What are the pronouns? When it is a female person, which pronoun is supposed to use? Suppose your mother. Your mother is male or female? Yes, female one. So, which pronoun is supposed to use? She. Your father is male. Yes? So, which pronoun you could use? He. And for the things or animals, it. Yes, children. When there are a group members, we could use we when you are including them. If you say other persons together, what do you use? They, as it is told in the video. Yes, children. Now, fill in the blanks with suitable pronouns for the underlined words. Underlined words. Maya wakes up early in the morning. Now, this Maya is girl name or boy name? Maya. Soumya. So, which names? Yes, girl name. So, Dash goes to bed early too. So, which pronoun you supposed to use? You find it out and write. The dog ate the ice cream and then Dash ran away. For the animals, what you supposed to use? Which pronoun? Yes. Father is in the kitchen. Dash is cooking dinner. Now father. Male one. So which pronoun you supposed to use? Neha, Veer and Rudra are playing in the park. So you are not including here. So which pronoun you supposed to write? Geeta and I went to the market. Dash. Here you include yourself. Geeta and I means myself also. So which pronoun you supposed to use? Yes, children? Completed this Roman. And next Roman is also pronouns. Fill in the blanks with the correct pronouns from the brackets. Dash can sit here. When you use a sentence, can you use him can you sit? No. Which gives correct word? Yes, you can sit here. Next. Dash will play the match today. Her will play? No, it is wrong. She will play is the correct one. Likewise, you complete this 3, 4, 5. Please speak to Dash about the picnic. Dash played all day in the sun. The teacher told Dash an interesting story about games. Understand? And also, you have the punctuation. For the punctuation, you follow the steps. For the proper nouns, begins with the capital out. Whenever you see the name of a person, place, thing, the particular name of the person or place, thing, like Divya, India, Bruno, Rajdhani Express, like that time you supposed to use the capital letter wherever it is, in the middle of the sentence or starting of the sentence also. Names of the festivals always begins with capital letter. Wherever you write, you have to write capital letter. Names of months and days, the week always begins with a capital letter. Whenever you write the month's names, the weekdays, you supposed to write the starting letter capital letter. Like this, you complete this exercise punctuation. Rewrite with the correct punctuation. One has been done for you. Same sentence you have to use the punctuation. Naina likes to read books. Here they did not use capital letter for the Naina. Naina is a proper noun. Then you have to use a capital letter and you have to complete. Ending, we have to give full stop. Yes, children? Likewise, the second one, my father is going to Paris. Paris is a proper place. So, whenever you write the starting of the sentence, letter should be capital letter. Then here, which letter you should write capital? Yes, M. M capital letter. Remaining is same. Here you have the names of place. So, P should be capital letter. Ending, what should you keep? Full stop. Arun will come home on Saturday. Arun, it is a name of a particular person. Then when the particular person comes, what letter is supposed to write? Yes, capital letter. It is weekdays, days of the week. So here also which letter is supposed to write? Yes, capital. Ending full stop. My name is Divya. Whenever you write my name is Divya or your name single, you have to use capital letter. Here the first letter should be capital. Divya, D should be capital, ending full stop. Santa means yes, capital letter, brings gifts on Christmas. It is a festival, name of the festival. Names of the festivals also starts with the capital letter. Yes, children, and end with the full stop. And you have writing skills. This writing skills is about, here they are given 7 days. The 7 days breakfast you are supposed to write here. Yes, children, it is very easy for you. Write the breakfast what you have eaten for the 7 days. And try to make a sentence on this. On Monday, I ate a roti for breakfast. Understand, children? For example, they like this. On Tuesday, I ate idli for breakfast. Like that, you write the sentences here and complete it. Yes, children, will you do? Yes, after writing, you send to my WhatsApp number. Here also you have a project. You could take a glass jar, cotton wool, few green gram lentils, water. Understand, children? Take a jar, wet the cotton wool, strain out excess water and put it in the jar. You have to take like this jar, take the cotton, dip in the water, squeeze it, means let the water go out. That wet cotton keep inside the pot, means glass pot. After 2 days, observe the jar, note the changes taking place. And children, now after 2 days observe. Now have a class discussion and make a list of things that a plant needs to grow. Yes, children, here you have to keep little seeds in the cotton and you have to keep inside. Will you do and show me after a week? Yes, I hope you will show me this.